is I'm here to show you and explain to you what this new outline means. Okay, so looking here, you see like a rubric. Okay, this rubric is a self-assessment rubric. So it's helping you to assess your learning and understanding to see where you're at. So if you look here, you can see like at the B work. So if you're doing B work, this is projecting that you're gonna get a B on your test. So this is saying that I can do this on my own without any help. I can show that I understand. Okay, that's about an IXL score of 90 and getting about 90% correct on a worksheet. Okay, your A is mastery. You've mastered this skill. I can do this on my own, I can explain how to do it, and I can teach someone else how to do it. That means you understand this skill in and out. Okay, that's a score of 100% on your IXL, or a score of 100. That's getting 100% of your problems correct. You've mastered this. Okay, so for example here, first chapter 4, lesson 1. And this is the Algebra 1 outline. Your Math 7 outline is very, very similar. Okay, you have your lesson objectives. So it says, I can write and graph linear equations in slope-intercept form. And I can model real-world data with equations in slope-intercept form. So after doing some form of method of learning, so you've got your teacher seminar option, which everybody has to listen to it, or at least be quiet while I'm doing it. Okay, so the teacher seminar, which I will make these up when I get back. You've got some Khan Academies, and you'll see that these are links. So you just click on the link and it takes you right to where you need to go. Or there's pages in the book. Or if you find some other way of learning this skill that you think is really great, share it with me and I can add it to the list so that other people can use it. And then you have your methods of practice. So these are some Khan Academy links to problems. You've got a bunch of IXLs that you can use to practice this. And then there's a worksheet which I'll have printed when I get back. Once again, I'm really sorry. I'm really not feeling well. And then pages in the book and problems that you can solve in there. Okay, once you feel that you have reached your A work, you're ready to do your proof of learning. So what your proof of learning is about 6 questions per lesson, give or take, depending upon the lesson, where you're going to show me what you know. You're going to answer these 6 questions. That is what I am grading for your 4-1 work. So your 4-1 proof of learnings, or POLs as I'll probably call them, are what I'm grading. I'm not grading the IXLs. The IXLs are your class time practicing. Your proof of learning is what's being tested. And you're not doing that proof of learning until you can say, I can write and graph linear equations in slope-intercept form. Okay? And by doing that, I can do this on my own. I can explain how to do it. I can teach someone else how to do it if I want to have that A quality work. Okay, so I'm no longer grading IXLs. I'm grading your proof of learnings, but here's the kicker. You only get 2 shots on your proof of learning. So you can't do that proof of learning over and over and over until you get a score that you like, because that's just practice. Okay, you can do your practices over and over and over again until you get a score that you like, but then you need to be able to translate that into a one-shot kind of deal. So that's what we're going at now. I'm not just giving you 100 IXLs and telling you you have to get 100% on all of them. That's what I would do as the type of person that I am who wants to get a really perfect score, and I want to be confident in my skill abilities, but you're self-assessing yourself now. So if you're confident by doing the first 2 IXLs that you know what you're doing, then you only need to do the first 2 IXLs. Okay, you are looking at yourself and being reflective in your learning to tell yourself whether you're ready to move forward or not. And I'm just here to help you guide along the way. And I'm giving those mandatory teacher seminars where you're going to listen to what I have to say, because I think that I have some important things to say sometimes. So I hope this helps clear up any confusion, and I'll help when I get back. I'm really hoping I can be back tomorrow.